Is immortality a pipe dream or a plausible reality? The concept of reversing biological aging, once a realm of fantasy, is now under the microscope of scientific scrutiny. But how does this process work? Let's delve into the captivating world of age reversal. The concept of reversing biological aging hinges on our understanding of the aging process itself. Aging is not a single event, but rather a complex interplay of genetic, epigenetic, and environmental factors that cause our cells and tissues to gradually lose their function. To reverse this process, we need to intervene at the root of these changes. The first step in this process is to understand our DNA. Our cells contain 25,000 genes, which provide the blueprint for our bodies. Over time, errors can accumulate in this blueprint due to environmental factors and the natural process of cell division. These errors, known as mutations, can lead to a loss of function in our cells. By using techniques such as CRISPR gene editing, scientists can correct these mutations and restore the original function of our cells. The second step is to understand epigenetics. Epigenetics refers to changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. These changes are often caused by environmental factors and can significantly impact our health and lifespan. By manipulating the epigenetic markers on our DNA, scientists can essentially reset our cells to a younger state. The third step involves understanding the role of the insulin/IGF-1 pathway in aging. This pathway, which regulates our body's response to nutrients, has been shown to play a critical role in the aging process. By manipulating this pathway, scientists can slow down the aging process and extend lifespan. The final step is to apply these techniques in a safe and effective manner. This involves rigorous testing in laboratory settings, followed by clinical trials in humans. While we are still in the early stages of this research, the potential for reversing biological aging is immense. In summary, reversing biological aging involves understanding and manipulating our genes and epigenetic markers, as well as the insulin/IGF-1 pathway. Through gene editing, manipulation of epigenetic markers, and modulation of the insulin/IGF-1 pathway, we can potentially reverse the aging process and extend our lifespan. However, it's important to note that this field is still in its infancy, and much research is needed to fully understand and safely apply these techniques. So is immortality within our grasp? While we may not be there yet, the science of reversing biological aging is rapidly advancing, bringing us closer to understanding the secrets of longevity. The future, it seems, is ripe with possibilities. Beyond the realm of gene editing and manipulating epigenetic markers, there exist other significant factors that can influence the aging process. One such factor is calorie restriction. Numerous studies have shown that reducing calorie intake without malnutrition can extend lifespan in various organisms, from yeast to primates. This hints at the potential of dietary interventions in the quest for longevity. Then, there are telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. As we age, these telomeres shorten, a process that is closely linked to cellular aging. The manipulation of telomere length is another promising area of research in age reversal. Understanding and potentially manipulating these factors could also play a crucial role in the reversal of biological aging, adding more pieces to the puzzle of longevity. Let's delve deeper and explore some additional ways to reverse aging. Earlier, we discussed the potential of calorie restriction in extending lifespan. This method, which involves reducing calorie intake without causing malnutrition, has proven to extend lifespan in multiple organisms, making it a promising area of research. Next, we have telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. As we age, these shorten, a process that leads to cellular aging. Scientists are now exploring ways to extend the length of telomeres, potentially slowing down or even reversing the aging process. We also need to consider cellular senescence, a state in which cells lose their ability to divide. By identifying and removing these senescent cells, we might be able to slow down aging, further adding to our arsenal against time. Lastly, let's touch on the field of regenerative medicine. This involves creating living, functional tissues to repair or replace tissue or organ function lost due to age, disease, damage, or congenital defects. With advancements in this field, we could potentially reverse the effects of aging. These additional methods provide more avenues for scientists to explore in the quest for reversing biological aging. But remember, this is a complex field, and there's still a lot we don't know. So keep watching as we continue to unravel the mysteries of aging in our upcoming videos.